Hey, it's the Siren Collector here, and I'm in the countryside, just like a mile or two south of Hanover, and I decided to go stop by this Thunderbolt, which I don't really want to trespass, so I'll need to go in the hard way. Alright, so we have a forest right by our house, so I'm kind of used to going through thick undergrowth and such, but here's the blower, and there's the siren, and here are the controls. And yes, for some reason this is unprotected and unlocked. So on the off it looks like, just do not touch that one, okay? So here's the contactors. Got a raindrop right in my eye, right when I was looking at it. And then Agastat, that's to control the solenoids. There's the counter for the AF timer, and that's basically it. So yeah, that's all I have for now, and I hope to see you some other day. Bye for now.